Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up email forwarding using cPanel Webmail. So if we open up the web browser and we go to this website here, it has an email account, and that email account I want to set it up so that it will forward any emails that go to that email account to a different email account. So to explain this a bit better, we'll log into cPanel and we can check what's going on in cPanel. So when we log into cPanel, we can scroll down here, we can check email accounts here. And when we click on email accounts, we can see there's one email account running. So any emails that go to info@lerez.com, we want to send those emails or forward them, a copy, to a different email account. Now you can do this through cPanel, but most of the times it's one of my clients that wants to set this up. So I normally show them how to do this via Webmail. So I'm going to log out of cPanel. The only reason I logged in here is to show you the email account running. We'll log out of here and we'll go to lerez.com/webmail. So when we go to Webmail, this is how you can access your email accounts using a browser, but normally you'd set them up on your phone or your laptop on Outlook or Macmail. But we'll log into this Webmail, and these are the three different options to actually read the email accounts. But up here you have the email address written here, and we're going to click on that and go to forwarders here. When we click on that, we can say add a forwarder, and whatever email address we put in here, any emails that go to info@lerez.com will get forwarded or copied. A copy of that email will also go to the email address we put in here. So I can put in something like this is a test@test.com. It's just a bogus email, I'm just typing that in. We'll click add forwarder and go back. So if we go and look at the forwarders now, we'll see any emails that go to this email address, a copy of that email will also get forwarded to this email address. So that's how you set up mail forwarders, and you can set up multiple ones. And a good example of this would be if you had an email address like accounts@lerez.com. That email would go to this email address called accounts@lerez.com, but then you could forward those emails to maybe one of the directors in the company, or it could also get forwarded to the accountants, for example. So any emails that are going in for accounting will get sent to the accountant and to the company director, and they'll also stay here in this email account as well. So that's how you set up mail forwarding using Webmail, cPanel's Webmail. Okay, I hope you find that tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.